Good afternoon friends, welcome to mid-market view from the advisory desk. Markets opened flattish today around Sensex 33 points and Nifty around 18 to 20 points. Early in the morning the markets were flattish and it has been same throughout up to now. Asian markets were mixed in the morning session today. Chinese market had hit a low of 2009 after concerns of stress in Chinese banking system. Nikkei was up by around 0.5%, Hang Seng was up by around 1%, whereas Shanghai was down by 1%. On the stock updates front, we have trouble with Bajaj Auto. It was down by 1.5% over concerns on workmen's strike going on June 20th. On the concerns that management is refusing to allot the shares at a discounted price to the workers. Another negative news is for Gitanjali Gems. It's down by 10% straight for the third day after the gold imports by the RBI has been cut down since last month. The companies are facing margin pressures on account of this. As far as on the positive side is concerned, Videocon Industries was up by more than 5%. Videocon sold its 10% stake in Mozambique gas fields and to state-owned ONGC and Oil India for a consideration of 2.48 billion rupees. This proceeds of around 40,000 crores will be directly going to the company. Further, the management has stated that this proceeds will be used to retire debt and reward shareholders. They are looking out for special dividend and bonus. Reliance Capital to spin off consumer lending business into new entity and sell minority stake to Sumitomo Mitsui Trust Bank and Nippon Life Insurance at a substantial premium. Reliance Capital and its two Japanese partners who have signed an MOU will apply for banking license by July 21st. ING Vysya Bank was also up by around 2.5% early in the morning trade and has cooled down after that. ING Vysya Bank is going to issue around 1.44 crore shares to institutional buyers for a price range of around 606 and 612. Company would garner around 850 crores by this issue. Further, they are going to issue 1.56 crore shares for rupees 611 or more for on a preferential basis to promoters to raise around 950 crores. Sri Ganesh Jewellery shares was also up by 5% as the board of directors of the company will consider issue of equity shares on preferential basis on 27 July to non-promoters and foreign investors. As far as gainers in the Nifty are concerned, Power Grid, TCS and Axis Bank were the major gainers. On the losing side, Bharti Airtel, Ranbaxy and M&M were the major losers in the Nifty. IT stocks were up in today's session due to depreciating rupee. On the sector front, losses, autos were down. Rupee has depreciated around 20 paisa early in the morning trade and is trading around 59.87 after making a high of around 59.98 few days back. That's all the updates we have as of now. We will get back to you post market. Thank you.